just think about even with most social media now, it's not about reading something or what, are you just sit and scroll and you get an ad. I mean, shoot, I don't know how it was if we saw a girl in a thong. This was a rarity. Here you go. That's what it's all over. It's these simple things that can easily catch. You go there, and I know this is the stuff that I have to check myself on. I just do. It's the defense I have to put up, just like with my drinking. Oh
Mm.
goodness, oh good, I have to not get start being inquisitive, like, whoa, who's that? Then click on the profile. Oh, they got a link. And I mean, all this shit, it can just roll really, really fast.
Yeah, yeah. Our brains aren't built for any of that. And this is a problem that I see. So I will have men that come into the program and they're like, Frank, I'm committed to quitting porn. I'm so sick and tired of this. And I've had to kind of change the first couple of weeks where we really focus in on the social media side, because for like 6 months I couldn't understand, like, why are these guys struggling? Like, why are they having these relapses? And I was realizing, like, if you stop looking at porn, but then you spend your day scrolling through fitness IG models, like, that will lead you to a relapse. Because
Yeah.
in the porn space, like, that would be called like an edging effect. So if we bring a
Sure.
little bit of neuroscience in here, if you're okay with that. So
Please.
if we understand dopamine is a chemical that is released when we're in the pursuit of our goals. What happens with the internet streaming pornography? It's a super normal stimulus. So it creates like a level 10 hit of dopamine. Maybe going to the gym because it's a goal that's aligned with something outside of yourself. You get like a 6. Maybe if you're working on like a passion project, you're building a business, like, you'll get an 8. But porn's going to give you a 10, which is like a way bigger number. Well, maybe scrolling on a fitness model is going to give you like a 7, 7, 7, 7. And as I'm scrolling, it's like every new stimulus is like a new hit, new hit, new hit, new hit, new hit. Well, your brain knows that it's only getting 7. It knows where it can get 10, and it wants that ultimate pleasure, right? So eventually you're going to lose conscious control of what's going on. You're going to feel the temptations, you're going to feel the triggers, and before you know it, because you've just been mindlessly scrolling on Instagram all day long, edging, getting up to the edge, getting up to the edge, getting up to the edge, you will fall over the cliff. So now in our program, we actually walk these guys through. And number one, like, I would recommend to most men, like, if you're struggling with this and social media isn't your business. So for me, like, our entire platforms are on social medias. I mean,
Right.
everything we do is through the internet. So if I could, I would delete them all. I spend as minimal as time as possible on these apps now. But a lot of the men that are coming in, like, these guys are working, they're working in finance, or, they're working in the corporate world, or they're doctors or whatever. It's like, you guys don't need this. Like, hey, everyone,
Yeah.
just shut it down for a little while. Take it off your phone, and just see how much more time you get back. But if they do need to use it for whatever reason and not willing to completely shut it down, we walk them through a process of kind of how to reset that, how to change your
Sure.
Explore page so these things aren't jumping out at you. But it's an everyday battle. It's something you constantly need to be aware about. Like, still to this day, I'm 3.5 years, clean. And there will be things that show up on my Explore page and Instagram. I'm like, how the hell did that get there?
Yep.
Because these apps and these algorithms know that I'm a man, almost 38, almost 39 years old. The demographics show that or the data shows that my demographics consume these type of things, and
Yep.
we know what that leads to. So they're going to constantly feed those things. But if you are aware enough and you put in the groundwork, you can work through it.